I hear this a lot when I post pictures of food, and here's why the weight of the food isn't always important to me as a bariatric dietitian. So let's look at this plate of Oreos. It's 4 ounces and it's about 9.5 Oreos altogether, which comes to about 500 calories and 3 grams of protein. So even though it's meeting the weight requirement set forth by the surgery center, I highly doubt it's meeting the nutritional requirements. This is one of the reasons why I don't always look at the weight of the food as the only thing that matters. I also look at the quality of food, your personal capacity, and then how it makes your body feel as well. Now let's look back at previous videos I've shown and how they measure up in regards to weight and protein and calories. So for instance, on this one, it's about 6.1 ounces and 3 ounces of that is going to be the eggs. This entire thing is 195 calories and it provides 18 grams of protein. Okay, now here's the same exact plate, but now we replaced the bread with the mandarin, and this actually weighs more, but comes in at 170 calories and 15 grams of protein. Now, would I say that you have to eat this entire plate of food if it doesn't feel good to you? Absolutely not. It's more important for you to recognize your own limitations and know your body after bariatric surgery. On the flip side, if you feel like you could have more food than I put on that plate, that is okay too. I think it's more important to follow roughly the percentages that I gave you as opposed to always following the weight requirements. Keep in mind that if you were to have 2 of these meals, then you're still having less calories and having more protein than you would if you had the thing with Oreos. So overall, it's quality that matters and listening to your own personal capacity.